We have all heard stories of people losing access to their crypto because their recovery phrase was damaged, lost, or destroyed. Paper burns, ink fades, accidents happen. That is why metal backups exist. Today we are testing the Trezor Keep Metal to see how durable it really is. We will unbox it, engrave a recovery phrase, and then push it through a series of extreme durability tests. Let us see if it can survive real-world disasters. Inside the box, we get the Trezor Keep Metal unit and the tools needed to engrave the recovery phrase. The design feels solid and industrial. It is clearly built with durability in mind. The material is designed to resist corrosion, pressure, and extreme heat. Now comes the most important step: engraving the recovery phrase. Using the punch tool, each letter is permanently stamped into the metal surface. Once engraved, the phrase becomes part of the metal itself. No ink, no paper, no electronics. First, we test chemical resistance. We submerge the Trezor Keep Metal in bleach and leave it inside for 12 hours to simulate exposure to harsh cleaning chemicals or corrosive liquids. After 12 hours, we take it out and inspect it closely. And here, after 12 hours, we can clearly see there is absolutely no difference, exactly as expected. No rust, no corrosion, and the recovery phrase remains perfectly readable. Now we try to sand down the seed phrase with sandpaper. Even after aggressive sanding, the letters are still slightly visible, not as sharp as before, but still clear enough to read and recover the seed phrase. Now we move on to the drop tests. We start with a 1-meter drop. After the impact, we can see only a few very small scratches on the surface, nothing serious. Next, we continue with a 2-meter drop. The result is the same. No major scratches, no structural damage. Now we increase the pressure. We place the Trezor Keep Metal on the ground and drive over it with a Zeekr and a Porsche. This simulates a situation where it falls out of your car and someone accidentally drives over it. After the test, as expected, the Trezor looks the same as before. Next comes a 6-meter drop, which simulates it falling from a balcony or a higher floor. We can see it gets a few more scratches than before, as expected from that height. However, this does not affect its functionality at all. This is the clip of the billfold being dropped from the same height. As you can see, it is already completely destroyed after the impact. Compared to that, the Trezor Keep Metal remains intact and fully readable. In this test, the Trezor is definitely the stronger option. Now we try to destroy it manually using a hammer. We strike it repeatedly with force. Even after heavy impacts, we can see that it is very difficult to destroy. The engraved letters remain distinguishable and the structure holds together. Finally, we move to one of the most important tests. We place the Trezor Keep Metal inside a furnace for 6 hours to simulate an extreme house fire scenario. After removing it from the furnace, we inspect it carefully. The seed phrase is still readable and the heat has not compromised its integrity. Even after prolonged exposure to extreme temperatures, it remains functional. After bleach exposure, multiple drop tests, being driven over by 2 cars, a 6-meter fall, 6 hours in a furnace, and repeated hammer strikes, the result is clear. The Trezor Keep Metal is extremely durable. Based on all the products tested so far, this one has performed the best. If you want to see more reviews like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you are looking for long-term physical protection for your crypto recovery phrase, this is clearly one of the strongest options available today.